In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send cryptocurrencies via MetaMask wallet. Drop this video a like and comment down below if you want to see more. So step number 1 is to log on into your MetaMask wallet. The next step is to locate the cryptocurrency/crypto that you would like to send. In this case, my wallet is fully loaded and I'd like to send Ethereum or ETH. And you want to copy and paste the address over here. It's really receiving it. So then, and then next, here's the transaction details. You want to put in the max or however much you want to send of Ethereum or ETH. And then click next. And then as you can see, you have fees and it will be loading right here. Now you can change the gas fees right here in the middle, but there's a lower end which will cost less. And then there's a higher end. And in this case, I click the lower end and you'll get this side, and then just click confirm or next. And then wait for the transaction to send. This might take a while, so go grab some coffee, eat some popcorn, or maybe talk to your girl or boy. Alright, and the transaction has been complete. Just to verify that I've received it on the other end of my wallet, you can see it has been sent. Voila, you have received Ethereum or ETH, or you have sent ETH or cryptocurrencies from a MetaMask wallet. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.